Brad Williams, XL Primed. How about a little rounding here? We have the round function. The round function, the XL round function, returns a number that has been rounded to a specified number of significant digits. Round numbers to the right or the left of the decimal point. Here's what's critical. See this number? 1336.17. Now, again, F9, we hit F9, that's going to change, but the key thing here is that decimal point. What are we doing? We're going to round this based off of whatever digit number we want. Here's the function B5C5. Rounds a number to a specified number of digits. The number and the number of the digits, the place at which number should be rounded. We're looking at the digit. Round requires two parameters, number and number of digits. Number is the number to be rounded, and num digits is the number of significant digits at which the number should be rounded. When num digits exceed 0, num digits down here exceed 0, the round function rounds to the right of the decimal point. When num digits equals to or less than 0, negative, the round function rounds to the left. Here, we're going to be moving the decimal. Here, we're going to be moving the integer. The following table provides a summary of this action. Greater than 0, round to the nearest 0.1, 0.01, 0.001. Round up to the nearest 10, 100, 1000. Round up to the nearest 1. Here, 0. We have 150784. We round that up to 1508. We have 11.40. We round this up to 4 digits. 3 digits. 74278. 742777. We're rounding up. And we say 3. If we put this to 2, it would be 742.77. 2603, that should match. And then notice how we cut off that 1 here in the decimal. Now let's go down. 1449 should be 1500. 1892 is going to round up 2. And then 46360 is going to round up to 5. Hit F9. And if we can get a large enough number, 64312, we have to round up to 4. You understand what I mean? 3 digits. And we're rounding down. Less than 0, round up to the nearest 1000. Here, 3039, it's going to go closer to 3. If this was 3500 or 3501, it should round up to 4. 1224, let's see if we can find a breakpoint. 788, 1038, 4016, 7285, 1835. See how we're at 1835 and it rounds to 2000. Here on the negative side, don't worry about the zeros. We're not focusing there. And then over above 0, don't worry about the integer part. Integer 960, decimal 0.400. That's it. That's really the components of the rounding function, round. And there's also the round up and round down. We're going to get to those. Quick overview, play around with this. I mean, clearly, it's straightforward. You've probably been rounding forever, but using these tools will probably simplify the process. Brad Williams, XL Primed.